Viewing module interface. Information displayed. In the viewing module, the following information is displayed. Patient information. Different views of the respective app. Settings and default settings button to configure the settings for the analysis window. Which buttons are displayed depends on the role you are logged in as. Selected series section. Series per application are divided into OD and OS and are sorted by examination date and time, with the most current examination on the top of the list and automatically displayed. Number next to the symbols means how many acquisitions per application and patient. View of the examination depending on the application. Overlay checkboxes and brightness and contrast slider if available for this view. Report button and the info button. More section where parameters and additional information of the chosen acquisition are shown. You can change the size of a section. Hover over the mouse cursor over the border of a section until the mouse cursor switches to the double arrow symbol. Or hide the section by clicking on the arrow symbol next to the section's name. Change application for review. By clicking on each symbol, you can easily switch to the next application per patient to see the series. Currently, cornea application with current single OD/OS view. OU both eyes, follow-up and multi-view are available. Cataract application. Biometry OU is shown with relevant parameters for both eyes in the More section. Calculation OU is available. Metrics application. Single view of the most current acquisition OD is shown with the relevant parameters for this scan in the More section. Multi-view is available. Imaging application. Single view of the most current acquisition OD is shown. OCT section and camera image with scan pattern overlay details regarding the scan pattern. Multi-view is available. Overlay checkboxes, brightness and contrast. Various parameters can be superimposed as overlays on the OCT section or camera image. Select the checkbox next to the overlay. To adjust the image brightness and contrast, you can press Alt on the keyboard or the slider below the OCT section image. Drag and drop the slider to the desired position and increase or decrease the image brightness and contrast. Window level is shown and can be entered to receive similar image properties when comparing different series with adjusted window level. You can activate window level in default settings. Click the Reset button to reset the changes. Alternatively, hold down Alt on the keyboard until the mouse cursor switches to the contrast icon. Move the cursor up and down or left and right while holding down the left mouse button to increase or decrease image brightness and contrast. To reset to default values, double-click the slider. Reports. Reports can be saved as a PDF, PNG, or JPEG files into the file system. Or as a DICOM report in the HIEX database. Info tab. Info tab shows several informations: the eye status of the examined eye, acquisition information. Acquisition quality displays quality parameters dependent on the app of the currently loaded scan. Camera and OCT section images display parameters dependent on the app of the currently loaded scan. Component versions displays the version of the HIX2 software used for the most recent changes.